new winter update is here. 10 new currency pairs are now available in the bot. We'll be testing them out today, so let's get started. Today, we'll show you how the automated bot works on 3 new currency pairs and how well it performs. We'll start today with a balance of $500 and see what results we can achieve by the end of the trading session. The bot immediately started trading after setup. We'll make 5 trades on each currency pair today and summarize the results at the end of the video, showing how many trades the bot was able to close in the black. The start is excellent. The Autobot immediately brings us profit and continues trading. Let's see if the second trade also brings us profit. The Autobot is experiencing its first loss, and it will be interesting to see how it recovers from this loss and returns our lost funds. We'd like to remind you, friends, that you can get the new updated Autobot absolutely free by following the link in the description. Start earning today. Great. While we were telling you how to get our Autobot, the bot not only returned our lost funds, but also brought us profit again. An excellent result. Wow. The first currency pair performed well. Our balance is already over $1,000, and now we'll move on to the second currency pair and see how many profitable trades we can make. So we changed the currency pair. It was also added in this winter update and is already available. You can test it now. The bot is set up, which means all we can do is watch it start generating profits, because that's the beauty of automated trading. The first trade wasn't a success, but don't worry about turning off the video. The Autobot has a 96% success rate, and it can make mistakes, but I assure you it will easily recoup this loss. Yes, as we said, the bot has already returned our loss with the next transaction. Now we hope that it will start bringing us profit with each subsequent transaction. So, what do you think, friends? How do you like our Autobot? Share your comments about it. We'd love to read them. Also, try the Autobot using the link in the description and leave your feedback for the manager, and we'll be sure to publish it. Our balance is growing with each transaction, and this is very encouraging. The final transaction on this currency pair, and we can move on to the third currency pair and see how much we can earn today. The third and final currency pair. We'll set up the bot now and start summing up the results. If you like the frequent updates, please support this video with a like and a comment. You help us promote it, and we'll give you the opportunity to earn a stable income. Well, let's take a look at the final piece of our trading session, and you can decide for yourself whether you want to connect your life with auto trading. The bot generates profit trade after trade. You won't find such a high turnover rate anywhere else. We are the first and only ones to offer automated trading at this level. The balance has crossed the $2,000 mark, and that's just 15 trades. Friends, if you haven't seen the video of how much the bot earned in 50 trades, be sure to watch it. The final trade is already open, which means we can slowly start summing up the results. Out of 15 trades, the bot closed 12 profitable trades and only 3 losing ones. I think that's an amazing result. Give the automated bot a try. See you soon.